This year, the world of mechanical keyboards has leveled up, with groundbreaking designs, upgraded switches, and smart features that redefine what it means to type or game with precision. Whether you're a competitive gamer, a coding pro, or just someone who appreciates the satisfying click of a quality board, there's a mechanical keyboard out there that fits your style, workflow, and budget. In this video, we've rounded up the top 5 best mechanical keyboards for 2025, carefully selected for their performance, durability, and overall typing experience. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest deals. 1. Corsair K70 RGB PRO. The Corsair K70 RGB PRO is nothing short of a powerhouse, blending top-tier performance with a sleek, durable design that stands out in any setup. Known for its high-quality gaming gear, Corsair has truly outdone itself here, packing this keyboard with Axon hyperprocessing technology that delivers input speeds up to 8x faster than standard keyboards. Perfect for competitive gaming, where every millisecond matters. Typing and gaming feel incredibly responsive and satisfying thanks to the Cherry MX mechanical switches, which provide that tactile, clicky feedback enthusiasts love. On top of that, the per-key RGB backlighting is vibrant and fully customizable, letting you tailor your lighting effects to match your mood, setup, or favorite game. Durability is also a major win, with a sturdy aluminum frame, detachable USB-C cable for easy transport, and dedicated media controls for quick access during work or play. Whether you're deep into a gaming session, live streaming, or hammering out long emails, the K70 RGB PRO is built to deliver performance, comfort, and style at every keystroke. 2. Yunzi Al71. The Yunzi Al71 is the ideal choice for anyone seeking a perfect balance of aesthetics and functionality without draining their wallet. Right off the bat, its gasket-mounted design makes a strong impression, offering a quieter, softer typing experience that reduces hand fatigue, especially during those long typing marathons. Whether you're a writer, student, or just someone who loves a smooth keystroke, this keyboard makes extended use feel effortless. One of its most user-friendly features is the hot swappable PCB, which allows you to easily switch out mechanical switches without any soldering. So if you ever feel like swapping from linear reds to tactile browns, you can do in minutes. It's a dream for beginners diving into the custom keyboard world. But beyond performance, the Al71 also shines in style, with eye-catching color themes and durable double-shot PBT keycaps that add both flair and longevity. Compact yet powerful, it's the kind of keyboard that brings personality and polish to your desk. Ideal for content creators, students, and casual gamers who want both beauty and brains in their setup. 3. Logitech G915TKL. The Logitech G915TKL is a masterpiece of minimalist design that doesn't sacrifice an ounce of performance. With its low-profile GL switches, available in tactile, linear, or clicky, you can fine-tune your typing experience to match your personal preference, whether you crave smooth keystrokes or satisfying clicks. What truly sets this keyboard apart is its light-speed wireless technology, delivering lightning-fast responsiveness that feels just as snappy and precise as a wired connection. And it's not just quick, it's incredibly dependable, with a battery life that stretches up to 40 hours even with full RGB lighting turned on. When it's time to recharge, the USB-C connection makes it seamless and speedy. The brushed aluminum top plate adds a touch of sophistication and durability, while the tankless TKL layout frees up desk space without compromising your control or comfort. Whether you're deep into an esports match, tackling remote work, or simply aiming for a clean, modern setup, the G915TKL brings elegance, efficiency, and elite performance in one ultra-slim package. 4. Razer Black Widow V4 Pro. The Razer Black Widow V4 Pro is built for those who take their gaming and streaming seriously. At its core, you get a choice between Razer's green mechanical switches for that classic, tactile click or yellow switches for smooth, near-silent keystrokes, letting you tailor the feel to your play style. But what really elevates this board is the level of custom control offers. With dedicated macro keys, a multi-function command dial, and 4 separate media controls, you can fine-tune your entire setup directly from your keyboard. Whether you're adjusting audio, switching weapons, or scrubbing through video timelines. It's all about making your workflow faster and more intuitive. Then there's the Keychron RGB lighting, which syncs beautifully with your games, and a magnetic wrist rest with underglow lighting, adding comfort and flair to long sessions. Topped off with double-shot ABS keycaps for durability and a premium feel. This keyboard is as immersive as it is functional. If you're building a high-performance battle station, the Black Widow V4 Pro isn't just a tool, it's the centerpiece. 5. Keychron Q5 Max. The Keychron Q5 Max is a dream come true for keyboard enthusiasts, combining robust construction, premium features, and unmatched flexibility. Crafted from a full CNC-machined aluminum body, this board feels incredibly solid and substantial, like you're typing on a tank, but a really sleek one. It's not just about build quality, though. It's packed with features that give you complete control. With VIA compatibility, you can remap every key, create multiple layers, and fine-tune lighting effects to fit your exact preferences. The gasket-mounted design paired with sound-dampening foam delivers a soft, refined typing experience that's both smooth and quiet, ideal for late-night sessions or shared workspaces. And of course, it checks all the enthusiast boxes. Hot swappable switches, south-facing RGB lighting, and screw-in stabilizers, making it incredibly easy to customize without needing soldering skills. Whether you're a gamer looking for precision, a coder needing comfort, or a custom keyboard lover chasing the perfect setup, the Q5 Max adapts to your workflow with ease. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest deals.